99 S10 Chevy 4-cylinder. Still got factory catalytic converter. Then what we got put on it is a MAGNAFLOW, single in, dual out. 2 tailpipes. We dualed it out basically. 2 1/4 tailpipes. And the muffler number is 12158. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we went old school with Chevy bow ties, because they look the best on those. There it is. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. MAGNAFLOW setup on a Chevy S10. 67 is the new 40.
I know.
Go ahead.
A certain way to do it there.
What do you think? I like it. Sound decibels were 101. In about 30 days, it gets a little bit louder. Let you guys hear on the inside.